Alright guys, rounding each number to the nearest 10 and 100. 971 rounds to
70.
970 and
1,000.
not 100,000.
1,000.
There you go. 1,000. Alright, 84 rounds to
80.
80 and
100.
Good. 231.
230. 200.
Good job. Alright, find the sum of 478 and 938.
What?
Sum is adding. Okay, so 8 plus 8 is
16.
carry my 1. 1 plus 7
8.
plus 3.
11.
Carry my 1. 1 plus 4
5.
plus 9.
14.
So we've got 1,416.
Bottoms up. Bottoms up. Check.
Yep, we're going to do bottoms up to check. Where's your... There's your homework. That... Yeah, then you'll be spending time doing it at recess on paper. Skipping it is not an option, my friend, especially if you're working on the quizzes or Kahoot review. Okay, so even if you well then you need to be pulling it up so you can go over it this way. All right, 6 minus 8.
Can't do
We
that.
cannot do that, so we're gonna go next door, take from the 1, make it a 0. 6 becomes 16 minus 8.
8.
8. Can we do 0 minus 3?
No.
We cannot. So we go to the 4, make that a 3. And this becomes 10. Whatever paper is crinkling, I need that to be put away, please. Thank you. 10 minus 3 is 7. And then we have a 3. Can we do 3 minus 9?
No.
We cannot. So we're going to make it 13 minus 9 is
4.
So 478, which is exactly what we started with. Huh? You guys say it all. Alright, Nathan had 24 cupcakes at his birthday party. So what does that sound? Yes, but it sounds like our whole. Yeah, it sounds like our whole. And he had 12 people. How many cupcakes can each person eat? So 24 divided by 12 equals 2. Nice job. Good work. Alright, 21 divided by 7?
3.
36 divided by 4?
9.
30 divided by 6?
5.
5. And 12 divided by 6?
2.
Alright, a couple of different ways we can find this area. We can count the squares. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 square units. Is that the only way?
No.
Otherwise, you can't just multiply regularly, but you could slice it like that. Okay? And we know that this one would be 2 times 4, which is 8. This one would be 2 times 4, which is 8, and then plus 2. So if we look at it that way, 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 2 is 18. So whichever way is easiest for you is totally fine whenever it's cut into square units like that. If you want to just tap and count, totally fine. If you want to split it up, totally up to you. Which of these shapes does not belong? Now, I've heard of several different answers, and the specific students who've answered it differently explained themselves well. So, James, which shape did you say was the misfit?
I said it was we're looking one
Battery.
It's the only one that has square corners, but the others only have corners or no corners.
Good. So James said that the one, it does look like, kind of like a battery. He said that this was the misfit because it is the only shape that had square corners. I thought that that was a really good reason. And what was really cool about that is he was actually talking to Miss Eubanks in the hallway this morning about that. And the way he explained himself, she appreciated that too as a math teacher. So that is an option. What's another option, Kyler?
Circle, because all the other ones have sides and the circle does not.
Exactly.
It's round.
You're correct. So the circle doesn't have any straight sides, so that is another option. All right, Michael, what do you think?
Like, I know it isn't the one that you're thinking, but the rhombus comedy one because of the acute and the obtuse.
Yes, it does have a cute. You're right.
The only one that has them.
Yeah, you're right. So he's saying that the rhombus is the only one that has acute angles, and that's also true. The others either don't have angles or have right angles or obtuse angles. So that is a little bit ahead of where we're going. So, a couple more. We did this one yesterday. 8 pack of candy canes, 3 of them were broken. 3/8 was the fraction, good job. Using the number line, I think we did this one too. To find equivalent fractions, we drew that line straight down. So
Yeah,
1/2 was equal to
2 4s are 4 8.
and 4/8. Good job.